guys, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have another quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I did happen to go to my usual Dollar Tree on the weekend, and it was a great surprise to see that they finally had some more spring Easter items out for sale. And there wasn't a whole lot, but I did see some new things, and I did pick up a few things to bring home, and then of course to share the haul with all of you. So as usual, I will go through everything one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I did pick up some beauty products. I wanted to find a lip balm, and I came across this one which I hadn't seen before. It is by LA Colors. It is the Pout Potion Scented Lip Balm in Lemon. So I will give the number in case anyone is interested. It is C68604, and I thought I would give it a try. It says it magically tints lips pink. So we'll see how that works. I also picked up a powder blush, and this is Peach Rose. The number is CBSB331 in a velvety finish by LA Colors again. I was also looking for a eyebrow highlighter, and I seen this one by Be Pure, infused eyebrow highlighter. Green tea infused, helps hide redness and inflammation, lifts brow, creating a fuller and wider gaze. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I came across some more of the artificial nail tips by LA Colors. These are my favorite, and they were in pink. It is Rise and Sparkle Nails, and the number is C68578 in Glam Pink. And I don't usually come across the pink ones very often, so I bought a whole bunch of them because of the color, and also because they are the short square, which is my favorite nails to apply, just because I can work better with them, and I just like how they look on my hand because I do have a smaller hand. So I was very happy to pick these up. And they are LA Colors as well, as you can see. Okay, so again, this was not a very big haul. I've been trying to be better and just really buy the things that I know that I'm going to use right away, and then just take pictures of the other things so that I could still share them with you as well. So I came across the 60 pack of wooden beads, perfect for spring. There's blue, pink, yellow, green, and then like a cream color off-white. I thought they were so pretty, so I picked up 4 packs of those. A favorite of mine this year are these carrot shaped gift bags, and I just love how they're made. It looks like a burlap, and then it has the green and white gingham or buffalo check, and then some ribbon on the side so that when you pull them apart, then it gathers up in the center. These are a favorite of mine for Dollar Tree this year. And you do get 2 pieces when you buy these, so this was a really, really fun find. Okay, so with all the stuff they were bringing out, of course, they brought out some new signs. Now, some I had seen from previous years, but these 3 were all new to my Dollar Tree, and I really like this one that is egg-shaped, and it looks like paneling there in the back, in the background. And then there is this adorable metal bunny here in the center, and it says "Welcome Friends" with the pastel colors, with the flowers and the greenery. So pretty. This one I thought was really nice as well. There were two. Again, just check out the pictures that I took at the beginning of the video and you will see the other one that I did not pick up. But this one here says Hippity Hoppity. It has a MDF bunny. He has one ear that has the metal in it, and then this burlap bow. So I thought that was super cute. And then I came across these DIY Easter DIY woodcraft. I thought these were really cute. So they are the round wooden decor pieces that we have been seeing, but these ones have the wooden round beads that are half glued all the way around the outside. So I thought that was really, really nice as well. And then in the center, I picked up the two that I saw that were bunnies. This one is my favorite, but I picked up this one as well. And then I also saw a tulip that was in the center. So these are really nice, whether you leave them as they are, stain them, or paint them up. I think they are really pretty. Okay guys, and my last items to show you are these adorable bunny gnomes. And on the side, these are the gnomes that I picked up that they had out for Valentine's Day, which I thought were super cute. These two were my favorite. I just love the braided hair and then the sequence hat. And then this one over here had the knit hat with the hearts. They were my favorite. And then when I walked into Dollar Tree, I saw to the right of me these adorable bunny gnomes, and I absolutely love them. They are so cute. I don't know what it is. I love the color combination of the green with the pink. And of course, here you can see is the green and white gingham buffalo check. And then the hat has the polka dots with the bunny ears. This one doesn't have the hair braided, but it is tied at the bottom. So adorable. And then this one here, even though he's all in blue, I love how they added the blue and white vertical stripes in his hat just to, you know, split it up a little bit so it wasn't fully blue, but so cute again with the bunny ears. And I think they did an amazing job for these springtime gnomes. They are so cute, and I have not been like a huge fan of gnomes, but these ones here, I really enjoy them. I think they're great to add to your decor, even to place on a tiered tray. They're just so much fun. So I knew I had to pick these ones up because they were just too cute to leave them at the store. Well guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. It wasn't a big one, but it was a fun one. And I just love all the colors that come with spring. It's great to be able to have the 4 different seasons so that we can enjoy all the seasons, not just weather-wise, but even with all the colors that change as the seasons change. So it was a really fun haul, and it's probably too because the sun has been shining here. We definitely have been getting spring-like weather, and I just can't wait for spring to arrive. So I hope you are all keeping well. I hope you enjoyed this quick little haul. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.